Hello, so to make your bath tissue sushi roll, you're going to need, of course, some bath tissue. You're going to need 5 pieces of paper, black for your seaweed, yellow for your radish, orange for your carrots, green for your cucumber, and then white for the crab meat. You're going to need a serving tray or any type of platter you want to put the bath tissue on. You're going to need a red marker. You're going to need 2 different types of shears. I'm going to use this type of style scissor. If you don't have it, you can use a regular scissor and then just cut the design out. And then you're going to need glue, tape, or a glue gun. I'm going to use a glue gun because I want it to dry quicker and I don't want to wait. So let's open the tissue. Now, depending on what kind of brand you buy, if you buy like a generic brand, it's probably not going to be thick, I guess. This one is 425 sheets per roll, so it's pretty thick. And I'm guessing my 8x10 construction paper is not going to be able to fit all around it. So what I have to do is measure it and then cut one piece for one side, and then this remaining white, I'm going to cut another piece for it and then just glue it together. So let's get started. So I just cut my black paper in half, long ways, not the short way. So it'll be the hot dog way, not the burger way. And then I'm going to see how much it'll fill. Okay. So if you want the whole roll to be covered, you can. But if you want it like only half and for it to show the white, you can do that too. Me, today, since I already cut it in half, I'm just going to leave it be and then cut an extra piece to cover up the remaining white portion. So I'm going to do this and then measure it from one end to the other. So you need like this much left. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, so I have my 2 pieces of paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it down. Careful, it's hot. Then have one piece like this. And then we're going to wrap it around. See how much needs to be glued on this side. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can try and make it as even as possible. And the baby woke up. Okay, so it's pretty tight. It's so cute. Alrighty. Okay, so when I come back, we're going to do the filling. Okay, so for the filling, you're going to have cucumbers, carrots, and radish. You're going to take all 3 sheets, and then I'm going to fold it in thirds. Doesn't have to be perfect. Try and make it as even as possible. Okay, so it looks like that, and then we're going to cut it. I'm going to do this individually. Okay, so I have them all cut, and what we're going to do is we're going to roll them. So we're going to use the marker or any type. You can roll it by your hand or use this as a guide, and you're just going to roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Okay, and when you pull it out, it's going to look like that. So to measure it, you're going to put this in here. Okay, and you're going to see how much space you have because you're going to need 3 of these. Okay, so that looks like a good amount, good size. I'm just going to take my glue gun. Glue it down. Okay. And the same with the orange and the green. Roll it, and pull it out. If it gets unraveled like that and it starts coming out, it's okay. Just glue it down. See? It's okay. So you have 2 of them now. We're going to measure it. And it leaves you with that much space. Okay. And one more time. It doesn't want to work. Okay. this one's a little messy. So I'm going to take all of these first, like this, then put it in my sushi. See if I should make the green one a little bit smaller, which, just by trying to put it in, it's a little tight space. See? Okay, so I'm going to make this one a little bit smaller. Okay, and we're going to glue it. Press it down so the glue would stay. Okay, so what you want to do after that is take your 3 colors, take your scissors, and then just cut it like this. And go around it and cut it. I'm going to show how it can flap out. Okay, go around and make little slits. Make little slits. Okay, then do the same with the yellow and the orange. Now it has like some type of a ruffly effect. So we're going to put it in here. And you can push it down as far as you want. See? Doesn't that look cute? Okay. Then, to make the crab meat, what I did is I folded the white piece of paper in half. Okay, and I took these scissors and cut a circle. Now, when I open it, it's not really going to look like a circle, so I'm going to have to make it smaller. Okay. One. I don't know why I can't cut circles today. Okay, so you have 2 of them. Then you're just going to make the swirl design. So you're going to start in the middle. And you're going to go like this. Make it as wide as you want. I'm just going to stop. Just going to make it a little bit thicker to your preference. You can make it as thin as you want or as thick as you want. Just make it a little bit thick. Okay. You can find these little crab meats in like soup, in Japanese soup bowls. So the next thing you want to do is get your platter ready. This is a cute little, or it's pretty big, bamboo platter my mom gave me. And you want to place your sushis right there. Then you can put your crab meat on top, right? That one's a little too big. Put it on top. And you can place it down as decor. And voila.